Meaning of handicraft.
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 Handicraft. Handicraft refers to the art of creating and manufacturing decorative and useful objects using manual skills, creativity, and specialized tools. It is a process of making goods by hand using traditional techniques and methods rather than relying on mass-produced machinery. Handicrafts can refer to jewelry making, pottery, woodworking, embroidery, sewing, and more. The end result of handicrafts is often unique, high quality, and reflects the skill and creativity of the artisan. Handicrafts have been an important part of human culture since ancient times and continue to be valued for their beauty and craftsmanship.